Today is February 24? 24? It's February 24. I'm here in my room. I'm with my best friend. Kaya mingawan man siya ako always. So, she likes to spend time with me here in my room. And, while talking, I realize that, pakita mo, Bes. Ipakita mo. Kita mo yung lips niya. Grabe ang lamutak kagabi, Besh. At yan, may proof, may evidence. Grabe ang tangos naman ng ilong. That's my best. So, mauna siya. Akong best friend. Okay, later, health is wealth. That's why, guys, kung you don't feel good, kulang mo sa sleep, absent. This is your sign. To absent ka mamaya. If night shift ka, mag-absent ka na. Gaya niya. Premeditated na absent. Absent siya later. Nag-inform na siya. Wala siya ka-absent yesterday kay. Wala daw. Wala yung intern. Maluoy siya siya mga ka-workmates. So, and now, nice man ang weather. So, ma-absent siya. This is my best friend. She's 35 years old. She just turned 35 last February 20. She is single, available, ready to mingle. But, dapat, number 1, SDA. Number 2, yung legit na SDA, yung nagsisimba talaga sa Saturday. Ganon. Hindi yung offshoot ba tawag doon? I don't know what they call that.
Hindi ko nakika-overshared kay ka eh.
Number 3, knows how to cook and acts of service para paglutuan siya. 4, marunong mag-massage ng paa kasi masakit yung paa niya lagi kapag galing duty. Kailangan you know how to massage her paa. 5, anong 5? Family-oriented. Dapat love yung family niya, tapos especially yung mama niya, ganon. 5th, dapat walang hindi divorced, hindi ganon. Like single, di siya legally single.
Saan siya? Uy, overshared ka ayun.
Overshared. And lastly, kasi gusto niya blue eyes and blonde yung baby niya. Kaya bawal yung Pinoy unless kung blue eyes ka tapos blonde yung hair kasi yun yung gusto niya. kaya pula doon. But yeah, my best friend is single and ready to mingle. Tada! May libre kayong lab test sa kanya.